Hello everyone, welcome back to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today in this full video I will show you how to screen share on WhatsApp video call. WhatsApp users doesn't know that how to share screen on WhatsApp video call. Recently WhatsApp released this feature. Now in this video I will show you how to use this feature. Now let's begin. First of all, go to Play Store or App Store on your device. Then here search for WhatsApp and see if the WhatsApp update is available, then update it to the latest version. Once you update the WhatsApp on your device, then now open it. Now go to any chat or calls to do a video call. Now wait for receive your video call. And when someone receives the call, then you can see here more options will open. Now you can see the option which is look like an arrow with a screen, which is at bottom of the screen. Simply tap on that to share your screen on video call. Here as you can see, when you tap that icon, then you are sharing your screen. Now if you want to stop sharing this screen, then tap on stop sharing. And it will be stop sharing your screen on video call. So that's how easily you can screen share on WhatsApp video call. I hope this video will helpful for all of you, and if it is, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video.